Welcome to a day in our camp. We have a lot of fun things planned for you, like art, sports, performance, STEAM, going outside, and so much more. We also have some things that might be different from what you're used to seeing. We want to show you what a day may look like. Keeping you safe and having fun is important to us.
Let's talk about when you show up. When you arrive, remember to keep 6 feet of distance. You might notice something different about the teacher. Teachers will be wearing a mask, or wearing a face shield, or wearing gloves. We are wearing these to keep us all safe and healthy. The teacher will need to ask some questions before you can begin your day.
Does anyone in your household have a sore throat? Cough?
No, we're doing fine.
We will also take your temperature. The teacher will then check you in and have you wash your hands. Hand washing will be very important. You will need to wash your hands for 20 seconds. First, wet them, then apply soap, and work the soap into all the areas of your hands, to the top of your wrists, even underneath your nails. Now, wash off the soap and dry your hands. You will be asked to wash your hands many times during the day. Now that your hands are clean, the teacher will walk you to the room. Then you will join the teachers in the room. You will see these teachers almost every day. Every day you will have a chance to do many things. The teachers will have activities for you. It may be performing arts. You might try out acting, or even learn a new dance routine. It can be art, like painting a picture. You could do a STEAM project. You might try a writing challenge. You will also have activities outside or in the gym. When we are in other spaces, we may use hand sanitizer to clean our hands. There are other fun things to do in the room, like playing a game with a friend, or diving into a book you can't wait to finish. Did you notice in all these examples that everyone was 6 feet apart? We are going to ask that we be 6 feet apart as much as possible. This is what 6 feet apart looks like. We will be cleaning items and washing our hands more often. We are going to give a snack in the room twice a day, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. We will also provide lunch. When you sneeze or cough, please remember to do it into your elbow. When it is time to be picked up, there will be a few things that happen.
Okay guys, it's time to go home. Let's wash our hands and grab our things.
Bye.
A teacher will come and get you and take you to your parent.
Have a good day.
The teacher will walk you to the pickup area.
If you have questions or your parents have questions, have them asked a supervisor or a teacher at your camp. There are a lot of fun days ahead. We hope this showed you what your day might look like with us. We are excited to see you.